This video is for you creators out there, for you YouTube creators, Twitch creators, or someone just looking for non-copyrighted music for any reason. So I'm gonna show you a method that I use myself, that I've been using for years. Haven't had, like, I've made at least over 100 videos, and I'm pretty sure in at least 100 of those videos I have music, and I never had any problems with copyright issues. The service I'm going to be telling you about is from ChillHop. So if you're not sure what ChillHop is, it's a YouTube channel, but they also have a website where they list all types of artists and they update their music library like every week, every 2 weeks. So you can always get new music. It's not like the same music that other people use over and over and over. It's actually like fresh music. There's two things you need to know. You need to know how to sign up for this, and you need to know how to stay safe when it comes to copyright issues. So we're going to discuss all of that. I'm going to show you what it looks like once you sign up, and then I'm going to show you how to sign up. So once you sign up using this icon on the top right hand corner, you can hit this option here at the bottom to bring up all the music library. So you can play these songs here, listen to the full song, see what you like. And once you find one you like, you'll just go over here, select download, and then it'll give you an option to download the MP3 file. It'll bring up a separate window for a quick second. And then after that, it'll download the file directly to your computer. And since you already have the song, you can drag and drop it anywhere in your editing program and chop it up, do whatever you need to with it. When it comes to adding songs as background music into your own videos, you can do whatever you want with the music. The only thing ChillHop asks is that you credit the artist, which makes sense. So once you get this link, copy and paste. If you ever like exit out of it, you need to see it again, just hit the download option again, and boom, you have it. But yeah, just copy and paste. And then when you get to your video, like you'll notice in all my videos, whenever it's music listed, I always have the credit here. I just kind of, try to make it look pretty, so I put the link at the bottom like that. And when someone goes to this link, it'll take them directly to a profile of the artist. So they have all their socials, all their music, everything they need to check out the artist. If this sounds good to you, let's talk about how to sign up for it, because you do have to sign up for it. You can't just jump into it and just start using their music, but it's easy to sign up for it. So once you get here, and I'll leave this link in the description for you, so it's easy to get to. And no, I'm not sponsored by ChillHop, even though I should be, because I've been supporting them for years. There is something I want to show you, because I feel like there's one question a lot of people may ask. This is just for like background music. It's not to rap or sing over it and create your own song with somebody else's song. It's a lot of other frequently asked questions in this category here. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out as well. But when it comes to signing up, you'll hit sign up, which basically just brings you down to this connect my channel option. So you hit that, it just asks you for your name and email. Once you fill all that out, you'll be sent a verification email. We all know this process, so I don't really have to show you. So the next step is you actually have to link your YouTube channel or your Google account to the ChillHop website. Naturally, this does bring up a lot of questions, like, is it safe? Like, why do they need access to my account? It's not that they need access to your account. They're just trying to make sure you're protected if needed. Say, for example, if YouTube falsely flags your video for copyrighted content, ChillHop, since you're linked to them, they can pull up your account and say, okay, this person is a part of our program, so please take away this copyright strike. We own the music and we gave him the right to use the music. If you don't go through these steps and you try to download music, it's going to prompt you to sign in or create an account anyway. So, and last tip I'm leaving you with, if I heard everything recent and I need something new, I'll just go to the live session here, the live stream session here. This is like the YouTube video they play 24/7. But if you go down the list, it kind of like shuffles. It's like a good shuffle version of their music. So you get like a little taste of everything. So if I can't find anything I like in the recent release tracks, I just go through here, play around and see what I can find. But I can say something I noticed they don't really mention in the website. Sometimes the songs in this live stream session can be copyrighted. It'll have something like, for example, one song had like a sample of Biggie Smalls, and that's what made it copyrighted. What I like about that is if it is copyrighted, there will not be a download option here. You'll just see these 3 options. If it's non-copyrighted, you will see a download option. So that's a nice touch. So they won't allow you to download anything that's copyrighted. That's the plus side of using their website versus just downloading music using YouTube video link. And I'm saying that from experience. When I use YouTube links, I got hit with a lot of copyright strikes when I first started on YouTube, just for music. So I had to worry about my music and actual content. There's other options out there, like YouTube has their own music library, but it doesn't have that much tasteful music. And there's other paid options out there, but they offer pretty much the same thing Chill Hop offers. So, but that's all I got for y'all. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.